Hello, today I'm going to go over using WileyPLUS to study for exams. As you face finals, getting some tips from an insider can be really helpful. I am Naomi Hannig, your WileyPLUS student partner. I'm a fourth-year accounting major, and I support Accounting 360, 365, and 720. I'm from the Rochester, New York area, and I love reading, writing, and anything to do with Marvel. My first tip is that WileyPLUS is more than just homework. If you haven't been using all the resources of WileyPLUS, that is fine, but you should start now so you can do better on that final exam. The top 3 WileyPLUS resources to get you ready for an exam are practicing, as practice makes perfect after all, watch and learn, and using Orion to get you where you want to be. So first comes practicing. This is under the Read, Study, and Practice tab in WileyPLUS. To practice. This section gives invaluable practice resources. It gives you all of the book's homework problems alongside the ability to check your answers. This is a really great tool to help you see if you have mastered particular areas of the course and to see where you could improve. You can find this on the home page when you look at the tabs and see Read, Study, and Practice. You will first go to the section of WileyPLUS. From there, you will navigate to the correct practice section. This can be done by selecting the drop-down to go to the correct chapter and possibly going to select a study objective. To the right, you'll see that practice section. You need to make sure you allow for pop-ups, as the practice section will bring up a pop-up to let you work on what you need to do. Tip number 2, watch and learn. This section is very helpful for those who learn by example, wish to cement the process, or who may have missed or forgot some class time. There are great segments that will walk you through different kinds of accounting problems and theories. This is also found under Read, Study, and Practice. First, you will go to this section, and then secondly, you will navigate to the bottom to the Watch and Learn section. There are a lot of different resources here, and it's so important to make sure you understand what you're looking at. Tip number 3, Orion. This is the biggest tip of them all, and hopefully you will see why. It's a great addition to WileyPLUS. Going to Orion, you can take proficiency tests, practice multiple choice problems, and truly determine where you should focus your studying efforts. Orion may feel like a test, but it is an intuitive way to learn and see where you are. So that way, when it comes down to the real test, you can see what you're looking at and not be surprised. First, you will be on the Home tab and look for that Orion. You will click here to go to Orion's main page. When you first look at this, you will be navigating to begin proficiency tests and go from there. If you've already been using Orion over the course of the semester, you should be very familiar with this. But if you haven't, it might be good to go through all your chapters, simply do some proficiency tests to see where you are, and then start working on the chapters that are most important for your final exam and that Orion says you don't really understand the best that you could. An A is just a few clicks away. If you follow these tips, you'll get the grade you want on your final exam, and the grade that I hope you get. Thanks for taking the time to listen. I'm here to help if you need me. Please contact me with any questions. If you're having trouble with WileyPLUS, Orion, or simply don't know where to start with these resources, reach out. My email is ndh7575@rit.edu. Thank you so much.